Hey, all CB baseball card collector coming at you. So, we have a TTM from Doug Bird. I sent this off. I got this back May 7th, as you can see right there. I sent it April 7th, so about a month. So let's see what we got. Don't know what we have. We got two back. And there he is, Doug Bird, number 28. It's not bad. It's not a bad TTM there. Let's see how this one looks. It's number 29 actually. Yeah, number 29. There you go. So two of a kind. I don't know if my cards were messed up to go there. But there we are. Mr. Doug Bird with the Kansas City Royals. 79 tops. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Bird. Thank you, Mr. Bird. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was gracious, and thank you so much. All right, CB out. Another TTM, guys. TTM success. All right, bye-bye.